So I did a video a couple of years ago when the EVO 2 came out, talking about the best places to order your EVO. And I thought I would do the same thing for the EVO 2. Now obviously you guys know I work with DroneWorks. They're on this list, obviously, but I'm gonna give you a couple of different options that you may not have thought about if you want to order this drone. Stick around. What's good, guys? Welcome back. Ken here, and you're watching Original Dobo. Today we're talking about where you can order the EVO 2. Now that Autel has confirmed they've fixed the bug that prevented delivery of that drone in February, they've also acknowledged that the coronavirus has slowed down production, but production should be still slated to complete, and we should be able to get orders shipping sometime in March. So with that being said, I feel pretty good about recommending this drone for somebody who's thinking about ordering. So let's dive over to the computer here and take a look. So first up, we have Adorama Camera. Now, Adorama Camera ships out of New Jersey. They're a pretty big online retailer for electronics, and I've had a lot of good experiences with Adorama Camera. I've had great experiences actually, and they have the autel EVO 2 Pro drone listed at $17.95. You can order it, pre-order it, and they do not ship it obviously until you pay for it. So they're not charging you any sort of deposit, but you really don't know where you are in the line if you do order from Adorama. So $17.95 doesn't look like they will charge any sort of tax. I don't know if they have, do they have the autel EVO 2? Just the non-pro, let's see, autel EVO 2. Let's see if they have the non-pro. So the non-pro looks like on their website, same thing, $14.95. And if you pre-order it, you don't pay anything. So could be an option for some that want to pre-order it and wait to pay. I typically don't like to do that because when it always comes out of my account when I least expect it. B&H Photo has the autel EVO 2 rugged bundle. Now this is not the Pro, it's the rugged bundle. It's listed for $16.95. There's no photo available. It says pre-order, it's coming soon, but oh wait, no, it's not even a pre-order. You can't actually pre-order it from B&H. Autel EVO 2. So let's see. So they got the EVO 1 bundle. I don't see EVO 2. Oh, here we go, EVO 2. Okay, so they do have a pre-order. EVO 2 Pro bundle is $19.95. Autel Robotics EVO 2 quadcopter pre-order $14.95. Doesn't say whether or not it's going to charge my card. Let's go to my cart. Let's go to the cart and see. So I'm going to delete this one. And actually, I'll just remove that. There we go. Oh no, I thought, oh. Let's see, is it going to actually charge my card though? That's the thing I'm curious about. I don't think it is. Let's actually do the Pro. Pre-order is $17.95, so same as Adorama. Let's see, does it say it? Yeah, see, this one's weird. Like, I think they're gonna charge my card if I order it. It doesn't specifically say that they're not going to. Also, I don't like the fact that there's no image available. So I'd be a little bit leery ordering from B&H. Although they are a reputable company, I don't know if I can really recommend this because there's not enough information. They may charge you that full, $17.95 right out of the gate. All right, let's move on here. So next one would be Drone Gurus. That's a tongue twister. Drone Gurus. I actually know the owner of this. This is actually a good friend of mine, Chris. He lives in Tampa. He's got a website called Drone Gurus, and he's got them listed for $100. So he's got the dual here, but I'm not sure if he's gonna actually get those. The only place I know getting those is DroneWorks, but he does have the EVO 2. It's a $100 deposit. I've personally never ordered anything from Drone Gurus, so I can't really speak of how their logistics work. But I know Chris personally. He's a good guy. It's got a pretty decent website here. He is on the Autel Robotics webpage, so he's here as a preferred authorized vendor. So I mean that's a good thing, right? So Drone Gurus looks like they have a $100 deductible, like this is an insurance thing. They have $100 that you pay to get the drone autel EVO 2. So, and then of course, obviously you can order from DroneWorks, and we have all the models that are going to be shipping. You have the EVO 2, EVO 2 Pro, EVO 2 Dual, the rugged, all the rugged bundles. So if you want to pre-order a rugged bundle, those will all be available as well. Let's see what that is. $199 for a pre-order. The Pro, $199. So it's $199, $249 if you go with the rugged bundles, but that's going to guarantee your place in line if you do decide to order it. So yeah, so it says right here, the $199 deposit and the $249 deposit. So, and then it's ready to be shipped. So we're gonna be getting the stock the same day that Autel gets their stock. So we're gonna be all shipping at the same time. So that's one cool thing with Autel that DJI doesn't do. DJI usually fills the orders of dealers last, and then they take care of their customers first. But with Autel, everybody ships at the same time. So it's a coordinated release. It's not, one's gonna get it over the other. The other reason why I would consider ordering from a dealer is the support. If I have a problem with my order, I'm gonna be able to reach out to them directly, talk to someone, not just a customer service rep, talk to either the owner or somebody familiar with the situation. In some instances, I've actually been the one on the side responding to some of the customer requests, and nobody ever knows it. So yeah, those are just some of the recommendations if you want to get an order in. Now's probably the time to do it, because when this ships, and if you didn't get an order in, unlike Skydio, there's not going to be batches. It'll be sold out a little bit until production catches up again. Keep in mind though, if you do decide to order the Pro or the Dual, those are coming a little bit later. We do have the Duals. I believe the Duals are $999 for the Dual version. So DroneWorks does have the pricing on those. So if you are interested in that drone, hit that link below if you want a Dual. Otherwise, like I said, there's plenty of other options available. You don't have to just go through, obviously, what I recommend, because I work with them and work, obviously I'm friends with all of them. So I think either or way, with any vendor you choose, you're probably not gonna go wrong. I'm just a little leery with the B&H thing just because they don't have photos, and I don't know if they're gonna charge my card the full amount. The last thing you wanna do is tie up finances for an entire month, and if there's another delay, you're not gonna be able to get your money back. So all of them look like they do allow you to cancel or refund your deposits. So there's really no risk in doing that. But I made the decision, I'm gonna go with the EVO 2, and then I'm just going to upgrade the camera. So I'm gonna buy the EVO 2 so I can have at least the 8K camera if I want it. And then later on, I will upgrade the camera. There's also no ETA on just the camera units themselves. I would suspect that those are gonna come far later. But yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you at all make your decision on where you should buy your drone, drop it a like. If you didn't, that other button is just fine. And if I pissed you off, well, too fucking bad, drink a beer, have a good night. Stay original.